Hey everyone, welcome to another segment with the Women's Fishing Network, brought to you by Goes to 11 Media. I'm Chelsea. You can find me on Instagram, Chelsea_Nicole86. As many of you know, I live in central Alberta, and for the last week or so, we have been getting rain. We have just been getting a crazy amount of rain. It's been causing a lot of flooding on the bigger rivers, so it's been a struggle because, as you know, river fishing is my favorite, and there's been lots of warnings not to go on the rivers, and it's been even thunder and lightning, so can't even go to any of the local lakes or anything. So yeah, but I do have some phenomenal fishing trips planned this summer. I got some bucket list fish I'm gonna be going after, doing some hiking in there as well. So stay tuned for the summer because it's gonna be amazing. So with all this rain, what does rain bring? It brings worms. Every true angler loves a good old fat worm. So I live in an apartment, but my mom has been texting me every day these pictures of these worms, and she's like, oh my gosh, it's so disgusting. What do I do? What do I do? And I saw this picture of a buddy on one of the Facebook groups posted he went outside and collected worms. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna do that because worms are like $8 a tub. So if I can save some money and have my own worms, that would be great. So I did a little research. So I went and got some cardboard because apparently if you lay cardboard down on the grass or whatever, it will they'll think it's nighttime and it's dark. So when you lift it up, the worms will be there and you can grab them. So my plan is to go worm hunting. So the best time, of course, is to do it at night, but it still stays light out so late. So that's almost past my bedtime. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna do any night worm fishing, but I went and got some soil to put in my sweet new worm cooler. I just went to Home Hardware, got a styrofoam cooler, gonna put some dirt in there. My friend told me I can put grasshopper food, that's what they'll eat. So yeah, I figured I'm not obviously gonna fill this whole cooler of worms tonight, but you know, I'll have my own little worms happening and I can grab a scoop when I go fishing. So got some knee pads so I can get down on my knees and pick them out, which is just crazy because a few years ago, I would not even look at a worm. So my mom's pretty proud of me when she sees me grabbing a big old slimy worm and putting it on the hook. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up, go over to my mom's and see if I can find some worms. All right, let's go check on my worms. It's just starting to rain, so hopefully that brings them out. No worms. I think it dried up too much. Let's see under here. No worms. Uh-oh. Oh, there's a beetle. There's a beetle. I don't know if fish would eat a beetle. No worms out there. So I guess we're gonna have to come back when it's raining and when it's really wet, because today we had a little sunshine and I think it dried everything up. Stay tuned. So we started digging up the soil to see maybe the worms are in there, but they're not. The worms have disappeared. I might have to stay up late and come tonight. Well, that was disappointing. Well, my friends, I guess this video is gonna be a bust. That was really disappointing. No worms, you know, and my mom was telling me that she was out there peeking on them and she saw a couple, so I don't know what happened today. While I was at work, the sun was shining, so it dried everything up, but we're getting another storm here. There's some thunder happening, so I'll be back over there to check for sure. So thank you guys for all of the support. I'm going fishing this weekend. Clint and Kathy from Getting Hooked Lures sent me some brand new ones I'm super excited to try out. So next week I will for sure have a fishing segment for you guys. In the meantime, check out our store, fishingandoutdoors.net or fishingandoutdoors.ca for us in Canada. And then of course, as always, we have our website. I actually just finished writing a blog on there if you want to check it out, womensfishingnetwork.com. We have lots of cool stuff on there, so head over and check it out. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next week.